wait, don't scroll. Trust me, there's a reason I'm telling you to hit the link in the description. This product has been getting massive attention because it's genuinely impressive. The performance is smooth, the design is strong, and the ease of use makes it perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. What blew me away was how effortlessly it works. No confusion, no frustration, no wasted time. Just a clean, reliable experience. If you're someone who values quality and consistency, this is something you need to check out. Don't miss out. Click the link and see for yourself why everyone's talking about it. You won't regret it.